So, hello,
Okay,
good evening. How are you?
I'm fine and thanks for asking. How have you been, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking me. How, just wait. How was your day
Okay.
so far?
My day is great and I'm doing some field work and still I'm sitting in my field and nowadays I'm planting onion plant, do you know?
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
uh, bought uh, from market spring onion, right? It is called
Yeah,
spring
onion.
onion.
Onion. Yes, yes.
Yeah, onion.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is called spring onion. Yeah.
Mhm.
So,
Yes.
so before dive into the session, shall we start with introduction because I don't know anything about you. So please introduce yourself.
Okay, as you know, my name is Radha. I'm from Madhya Pradesh, India, and recently I have a master's degree in English literature in 2025, and I have been learning English for the last 7 to 8 months, and I have one child. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like reading mostly storybooks and writing my thoughts whenever I feel happy, sadness, any kind of. I prefer to write my thoughts and I love to maintain my diary where I write my thoughts. And nowadays, I'm like to connecting with people because uh, peoples they help me to improve my English and also my confidence.
Yeah,
So these are my things, and that's all about me.
yeah,
Please, may I know about yourself?
yeah, definitely. And from your side, it was great introduction. So amazing.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Hmm.
So I would love to introduce myself. As you know that my name is Kiran Sao. I am from West Bengal. If I talk my education, so I have done BCom honors and now I'm homemaker. Simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel where I upload English related content like conversational video, solo video, and sometimes grammar related video I upload. If I talk my hobbies, so reading, cooking, and interact new people, these are my hobbies. That's all about me.
That's great introduction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, firstly, I'm very curious to know about your journey. That how did you start your journey, and what type of difficulties you faced. So, please share your experience.
My experience is a little bit, but it was great because our English journey it was great, and I love to uh, enjoy my journey for learning, especially because I want to treat as language. Even I treat this English language as a language, and everyone can speak. So my English journey, when I started, so it was so difficult. But yeah, gradually, and I can say day by day, month by month, my English is improving. So I consider myself I'm improving and my English journey it was so great and I enjoy my every day. I enjoyed a lot. Yeah, and especially I'm learning for the last 7 to 8 months, so um, it's a little bit, I think it's a long time. Yeah,
Yeah, it will take
so
time because
I'm still learning.
yeah, English language is not our mother tongue. So definitely it will take time, and yeah, we can say that life is a long journey. Yeah, life is
Yeah, life
learning
is long
journey,
journey.
right? So definitely we should learn every time and everything, right?
Yeah, we should learn everything in our life, and because life is like a full of joy, so we should enjoy our life and enjoy our every moment in our life because that day it will not come again in our life. So I want to enjoy my every moment in my life, and I consider myself to being a happy every day in every situation. So yeah, that's why my English journey, and I enjoyed a lot this journey, especially for making my videos, talking with peoples, and creating content. And I can say, being a YouTuber, I'm not big YouTuber, so being a YouTuber, I feel a lot of happiness, and this a lot of channel gives me a lot of motivation, and where I connect peoples like I'm connecting with you today because that was the reason YouTube.
Yeah.
So yeah, yes,
So you are enjoying right now.
yeah, I'm enjoying every moment in my life because I
Yeah.
don't want to waste my every moment. Yeah.
Yeah, likewise, I was very underconfident to speak this language, but due to this YouTube and internet, now I'm getting some confident, and now I'm able to speak because of internet. So I can say that
Yeah.
yeah, so I can say that internet totally boon for us, right?
Yes, I right. And yeah, you are right. I resonate with you
Yeah.
because this social media we can use in great way. Then we can achieve great confidence, great knowledge through social medias, mostly through YouTube channel.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. So you told me that you have a child, right?
Yes,
Okay, so do you have a baby boy or girl boy? I mean baby
baby
boy.
boy.
Okay. So how old
Yes,
he is he?
he's 2 year old,
Okay, nice.
only 2 year old,
So it's very
but he
difficult.
struggles a lot.
So nowadays it's very difficult to manage, and simultaneously you are running your YouTube channel and you are a homemaker. So how do you
Hmm.
manage?
Especially I prefer when my child sleep, then I prefer to make my videos, and after my child is I think he's playing with their grandparents, then I just hear and connect with you. And in whole day I think I'm doing with together in my field, and they want to pick up some pebbles, potatoes and plants. Yeah, they playing every time.
Yeah, nowadays,
Yes, yes.
I mean, this is age of your child that they
Mm.
try to sometime they try to throw something, right? So this is
Hmm.
age of him, right?
Yeah. So, do you have baby like a
Yeah,
kids?
yeah. I have two kids. My elder one is 9 year old, and my younger one is 7 year old. Sorry, 7 year old. Recently, 1st January,
Okay,
it was a
problem.
birthday of my younger one. So
Hmm.
sometime I forgot that he is 6 year or 7 year. Yeah, 1st January, it was a birthday of my younger one child. So now he turned in, yeah, now he's turned
Okay.
into 7 year old.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
did you celebrate?
Yeah, earlier I was celebrated,
Okay.
but now due to busy schedule and my husband,
Hmm.
uh, he doesn't have time, so that's why I don't. I mean, I don't celebrate anything. Just little bit I celebrate, not that much. No, I mean to say no. I do not keep
Wow.
any party for celebration because of person, because
No.
I'm living alone, and I mean there is a lot of on my plate, so I don't get time to do anything and other things, right? So that is why I do not celebrate, but i i,
Hmm.
I do at household as well as outside work, because I am alone, and everything like if my children fall sick and if I have to buy something, so that's why I am only one who has to I'm only one who has to go outside and buy something. So that is why it's because of I'm living alone, and my husband come back in the evening, so it's not possible to keep big party and celebrate?
For happiness, it I think it does not need to big party.
Yeah,
Yeah, we can just buy one cake and some balloons. Then we can cut cake and we can celebrate ourselves,
yeah,
celebrate
just a little bit.
birthday.
Yeah, just a
It's not
little
need
bit.
to
I
happiness
celebrate.
for a lot of money. Money.
Yeah, just a little
Yeah.
bit. I
Even
celebrate.
I don't want to. Yeah. I don't want to create a big party because party gives me a lot of work.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Yeah, joint family, we if I create any party, then after party we will do a lot of work, like
True.
some gates and a lot of dishes, many things we have to do.
Yeah,
So I prefer to small party with our family, own family, and that's enough I think for happiness.
yeah, true.
Yeah, and yeah, so I consider these of things. I don't want to create a lot of things like but just enjoy our moment, beautiful moment and day, special day. That's I think enough for happiness.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
I think there is no need to things to happiness. If you are a
Yes,
satisfied
yes.
person, then you will be happy.
Yeah,
Because things
I
are never
resonate.
give us happiness. Things,
Yes, yes.
if you all time depend on things that this thing if I have then I will happy, then you will never be happy, because after a
Yeah, you will
while
never
you feel that this thing is useless for me, and then after,
useless for me,
yeah,
useless
and then
money.
after you
Yeah,
just
this kind.
think that again I have to I have another things, right? So things
Hmm.
never
Yeah.
be give us happiness. Just if you are a happy person, if you are a positive person, then you will be happy all time. That is my
Yeah.
thought.
Yeah, yeah, your thoughts is so great and amazing. And
Yeah,
always I consider these things. If I want to buy anything, then I thought many times, like 100, should I buy or not? Should I buy or not? Then I go and buy, in my case. And I want to use my money like a correct situation for correct things. I want to use very, I can say, a perfect time. Yeah. So I don't want to waste our moment, special moment. I consider like happiness is the best, and I think many people's they consider and they compare with someone. I'm not have this one, that one. She has. So I think this not good because comparison kills our joy. So that's why I'm not comparing, and I don't want to create a lot of things. Yeah.
yeah, definitely it's a good things. Earlier when I used to live with my joint family, that time I was very shy person and I didn't have idea how to talk and so many. But when I had to leave my own house, then after now I'm my I can say that my thoughts would be totally changed, and now I'm totally changed. Okay, so it was, I can say it's totally about time. Time has changed me,
Yeah,
and
it's
time,
totally about
yeah.
that.
So time, everything teach us, right? Whatever
Trying
you,
everything
yeah,
teach
whatever you didn't, I mean, whatever you don't learn in your life, but time teach you. So I can say that time is a good teacher for us, right?
yeah, time is the best teacher for teach us. And now time is teach everything, whether you are good or not for teach, for learn, but time teach every day, every one lesson, every day. Today, if you waste your day, then time after closing the day, after completing the day, you will think my day was just sorry, my day got waste. So that kind of things time already teach us, but we need to just be focused how
Yeah,
to use, where should use our time for good way and do something productive in our life for day.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
So definitely, we
Yes.
should not depend on things. We should only be happy and positive person, right?
Yeah,
So
that's
what makes
right.
you happy? Like
What
sometime, I mean, whenever you happy, then what would you like to do?
when I happy, I would like to enjoy myself, like talking with myself. Today I'm very happy. I have this one, that one. I prefer to talk myself, and I like so much to, uh, talking with my kids. I'm very happy. like you know, a lot of things. Yeah,
Yeah,
talking with myself, my baby, husband, and my mother. Some, I think, family members. I want to share my new things. If I buy even like any small things, i I want to show others, today I have buy this sari, other another things. I like share with some peoples.
okay. So what
Yes.
is your native language? I don't know from
My language is Hindi.
Hindi.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm.
nice. So are you enjoying your village life, right?
Yeah, I'm enjoying a lot.
Yeah. Greenery
Mm.
always makes us happy, right? I
Yeah, greenery gives a peace, like a lot of peace, like I can say Santi.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
But I never got
greenery feels
chance.
myself happy. Hmm.
I never got chance to stay village.
Okay. So, do
But
you want to stay in a village?
yeah, I want only 1 week, not that much, because I think my thoughts doesn't match with them. I feel because Bihar, it's totally different. But 1 week, 1 month, it will do for me. But if I get chance to stay there for long time, maybe I don't know.
Hmm.
Recently I don't have any idea, but I feel maybe uh, I'm not able to stay there. Recently I this is my thinking. Maybe it will be false, but this is my thinking that I will be not adopt in west in Bihar. But maybe time is
Yeah,
always, yeah, time, whatever time we have to face, we don't know, right? If yeah, time everything teach us, and time everything know me that if I get chance to stay there, then that time situation would be changed. Okay, and I'm ready for staying there. I will be ready for staying there, right? So it's, I
uh,
can say that it's all about time. But currently I'm
yeah, it's
thinking,
all about depend on time.
but currently I'm thinking that I'm not able to adopt there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because in here you will have to do many works.
Yeah, work
If
is
you stay
also,
you
yeah,
have your
work is
own
also
field.
at
Yeah.
in West Bengal, at where I stay. Work is also here,
Hmm.
but it's depend on I mean situation, I can say, right?
It's depend on situation. So if situation is good, so you don't need to go anywhere and do work. And if situation is not good, it's all depend your situation and your financial condition.
Yeah,
And other thing, if you are feel to do, if you are feel to happy, then you can do it.
true.
Yeah.
Definitely. So
Because sometimes I feel happy being here and to go somewhere and see greenery and our fields, a lot of things we can achieve something, a lot of knowledge. Yeah.
so I mean, if you get chance to stay town, city, so would you like to do?
Yeah, I like to do. Even sometime I think when my child uh, will get in a school, then I think I should go to other, I can say, city for admission. Because in our village there here is not any perfect school and big school. So I want to go with and get admission any perfect school because I want to my child go.
Yeah,
Yeah,
as a mother, we all think like this because we think that my children get education properly.
proper, yes.
Yeah,
Because I am struggling with this language, and in our field,
yeah,
I don't get any partner to speak. So
yeah,
I don't want my child like feel same and they struggle in that language. So I want to give a perfect environment for better education, for better be a successful person.
yeah. Good.
Yes.
So tell me that what would you like to suggest for a woman that now you are learning this language? So what would you like to suggest other women to do in their life? What would you like to suggest?
I would like to suggest mostly improve every woman improve every woman should improve ourselves, and it's not important to just go any one like a English language go ourselves, but every woman should have to improve ourselves in any skills like a talking and doing something work and professional. But every woman should improve ourselves for being a perfect woman and being a perfect mother, because our child always follow their mother. So mother should be to do better in our life, then children also follow their path.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so every woman should go anywhere and improve our skills in any field. So that's my suggestion.
Very
Yeah,
great and lovely. And some women complain that I don't have time, I don't have courage to do something. So what would you like to say about those type of person?
I would like to say time is, I think, in our hand. So we should to just go perfect way and in I can say do better. It is not important whether you have time or not. You should have to get time. You should have to find time when you are comfortable, when you are do something better in your life. And if I talk about, I was same like these kind of things. I was same like and when I start my journey, I was like a very I think I say demotivate. I feel shy, I hesitate because I didn't face like this kind of things in my life. I will do in my life like talking with person. I like mostly stranger person in English language because English is my second language. So I very feel shy in that time, in that situation. But follow something rules, follow something I can say my dreams. Then I can today talking with you like a stranger people. So that we should manage our time in our life, and times make a perfect. So time in our hand. So we should manage.
And everyone has a
So,
same time 24, right?
yeah,
It's
everyone have same time.
yeah, and it totally depend on person, what type of person you are and how do you manage your time. It's totally depend on person, right?
Yeah,
So
I
if you
resonate.
if you have a desire, if you have a strong desire for doing something, then you will be
Mm.
definitely do, and time doesn't matter, you have or you not have.
Yes, yes, I like this way. And every one person, they should use our time
Yeah,
perfectly. Yeah, that's my thinking, what I feel.
yeah.
Yes.
So don't complain to time. Time, everyone has the same
Yeah,
time.
don't compare time. Everyone they have same time, but it's depend on person to person how person they enjoy our time and waste our time. So
Yeah,
that's all about the time. And yeah, this life, that's enough.
great, great.
Okay.
So, is anything else that you want to ask?
Is anything, I think, when you start your journey, when did you start?
Yeah, firstly, I install an application for audio call just
Hmm?
8 months back, 8 to 9 months, and
Hmm.
continuously I used 6 months for audio call. Then I switched myself audio call to video call, and now it's been 2 months. I have been working for audio call, video call, sorry, and I think uh, talking on video call, it makes me so confident, and day by day uh, I'm noticing myself that I'm improving, I'm enhance my communication skill, and day by day I'm learning. So definitely it makes me uh, so confident.
That's great. And being a confidence, like a we achieve like a big.
Yeah, for learn
Yeah,
for speaking this language there's must be courage, must be need courage.
yeah.
If you have a courage for speaking language, then you can definitely speak, because it is just a language, right? And
Okay.
we can learn so many things. If I talk myself, so I can speak 5 languages.
Oh my God. You
Yeah,
can speak 5 languages.
yeah, I can speak. Earlier, when before getting marriage, I knew only 3 languages, but just 2 year back,
Hmm.
I learned Bengali language. Because I'm not Bengali. I my native place is Bihar, and my grandparents used to live Bihar. So that's why I'm Bihari, and I have been living here since my childhood. But I never tried to speak Bengali language. But just 2 year back, when I felt that this is important for me, so since then I tried to speak Bengali language, and now I'm able to speak manageable. I can speak Bengali language, and it's been 8 to 9 months. Now I'm working on English language, so I can say that it's my fifth language. So it's going on. Now I'm not perfect. I'm not fluent. I'm just trying to be perfect and trying to be
Same as
improve
well.
myself. That's all.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's your mother tongue? May I know?
Yeah, surely. My mother tongue is Hindi, and my Bihari language is
Hmm.
different. We often use Bihari language when I go to Bihar. Then I use. Otherwise, I speak only Hindi at home. And when I go outside, so it's a Bengali culture, so I have to speak Bengali. And otherwise, I can speak Bhojpuri, but I I'm not that much. I mean, I do not speak Bhojpuri language, because there is no person to speak. When I was a child, that time people used to speak. Now there is no environment of speak Bhojpuri language, so I can speak, but I do not speak now nowadays. So I can say, yeah.
You have many languages. Yeah,
Yeah,
you have
just
many languages. I
language is just listening and speaking, right?
Yeah, it's listening and it's speaking.
Yeah,
And I know Bhojpuri language very well because I watched many
yeah.
movies.
Some people, some people, hide themselves that I don't know how to speak Bhojpuri, but I don't know why they speak. It's a language we can
No,
speak.
no, Bhojpuri is
I
good
Yeah,
language,
I don't
beautiful.
like. Yeah, I don't like to sing. I mean, I don't like song of Bhojpuri. I never like Bhojpuri
Yeah.
song,
I
but
know
I can speak
everything very well.
language. I
Hmm.
think you know what?
I speak,
Every language has a own beauty.
yeah, every language has its own beauty. So we should not compare any language. And I know very well Bhojpuri, but I can't speak because I didn't try. And my
Yeah.
mother tongue is also Hindi. Yes. So I just speak whenever I feel speak with stranger in Hindi. I speak Hindi. Even my family members, I speak only Hindi and our local language. Yes. And the second is
Okay.
my English language, which I want to improve, but it's still not improved.
Yeah, you are improving.
Yeah,
You are
but
speaking right now. You are speaking very well.
thanks. But I stuck many times and I
It's happened. It's
mispronounced
natural.
every word.
It's happened with me
Yeah,
also. Yeah.
yeah.
So
Because
now we
when
are
child
running.
learn,
Yeah, please continue.
hmm, because when child start learn any language, they stuck many times. They hesitate, not hesitate, because child didn't want to hesitate in our speaking. So
Yeah.
it's happen with everyone. If anyone they go to speak in like a different language, so it's happened with everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So time is running out. We will meet again. And it was nice chatting. It was nice conversation with you. And I'm really
Yes,
enjoyed to talk to you. So thanks for reaching out
I
and
try a
joining
lot.
me. Yeah. So thank
Mhm.
you so much. Bye.
Bye bye. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.